Hi, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to make X profile private. So let's open X and you want to tap a profile picture in the top left. Now in the side menu, let's scroll down to settings and privacy. In your settings you want to go to section privacy and safety, and from here select option audience and tagging. Now at the very top of your screen you will see this option that we're looking for, that is called protect your posts. Let's turn it on, and after this your profile becomes private. So when your profile is private, people who already follow you, they will see your posts and your following list, and non-followers cannot see your posts and your followers and following lists. They will only see your profile picture and your bio, and anyone new who wants to follow you on X, they must send you follower requests that you must manually approve or decline. If you go to, again, tap a profile picture in the top left, and now in the side menu select option follower requests, and when someone wants to follow you, you will see here your follower requests. So that's how you can make your X profile private. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if it helped you, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.